Good day, everyone. This is Junaid Khan, a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and also representing clients to Immigration Refugee Board of Canada. In this video, we're going to be talking about a couple of updates happened in the month of August 2025. There are a few which are very important. The next topic, IRCC updates about the citizenship application grants, the PR card renewals, and the actual PR card. There are updates in the timelines. So right now on August 6th, IRCC updated the timeline for the citizenship grant, which is now 10 months, a lot better than before. But yet again, before we talk about the timelines, I would like to tell everyone here is the timeline mentioned on by the IRCC is not like the whatever days and months they have mentioned. That doesn't mean that exactly on those days or exactly on those months and weeks you'll have your application resolved or done by IRCC. But this is just the tentative times. I mean, there are high chances that you will get your documents or your citizenship or your PR card before the time IRCC mentioned, and there are high chances that you'll get after too. But according to August 6th updated timeline estimates, citizenship grant is about 10 months. If you're applying for the new PR card, if you just landed having landing papers in hand and you're applying for the PR card at the port of entry, you are expected to wait about 40 days to get your PR card delivered. One more thing here, sometime IRCC is sending you letters. I have received them as well. For two of my clients, that they have sent the letters that they need the updated addresses or some of the information and the forms to fill up and send them back again. That delays the process a little bit, but according to the new timeline, 40 days. Down 5 days, which means that it was supposed to be 45 days before. Now, according to the updates, it's 40 days now. If you are renewing your PR card, now 28 days. It was 21 days before. Now they've added 7 days to the renewal of the PR card. Most of the time when people are renewing their PR card, they're doing at the very last day. Do not do that. And if you have any travel plans with your PR card, make sure you renew your PR card and then leave Canada, because the PRTD application takes time as well. If you are outside Canada and your PR card expires, you cannot come back to Canada on an expired PR card. There's a separate application you're supposed to be applying, which is PRTD, Permanent Resident Travel Document. That takes time and eventually might mess up with your travel plans.